Welcome to PCB Preflight. It's a free online platform for PCB designers and electronic manufacturers. All right, here we'll display the dashboard. This is the home page that shows all the jobs. To begin, you just drag and drop your files onto the dashboard. From the upload wizard, you can configure various settings, including DFM checks that are very handy to be able to run that while you're uploading. Simple ODB file, and that's loading. And while that's loading, we're going to go ahead and load in a second job here just to kind of show the advantage of working online, where you're able to process multiple files simultaneously. And as you'll see here, every file that gets uploaded contains all the PCB, all the required manufacturing information. And you'll see here there's even more details. By clicking next, you can actually see the next job. To get more information, makes it a nice way to browse. And if you'll notice here, everything's organized in a sense like a file app would be, a file manager. You can select multiple files by holding the shift key, say for instance, and you're able to run commands such as DFM checks. Here you'll select the rule probably most closely matches your design technology. However, please keep in mind that all the rules are editable. So you're able to either edit or modify any existing rules or create your own rules that suit your specific needs. Yep, so you can choose to whether you wish to have a DFM report also generated. And by clicking yes now, as you'll notice, we are actually running DFM checks on two jobs simultaneously. One's already finished. And so we'll go ahead and open that up in the editor here to reveal and preview the manufacturing errors. As the editor loads up, typically it will be with the layers off. However, you can turn them on and you can assign them on as a default. As you'll see, it's a very user-friendly environment. And by the way, this editor PCB Preflight works on all devices. So you're able to work on everything. As you'll see here, you can easily navigate the various errors. You're able to highlight them. You can actually convert them into easy comments that will be able to easily help you pinpoint and highlight the locations that need to be addressed. And you'll see here it's nice and user-friendly, being able to add comments, and you're also able to share these jobs with other people. So again, they can reply to your comments and vice versa. And while we're doing that, you can shut comments on and off. At some point, you may have a lot of designs with a lot of comments, and you're able to disable those. And DFM errors may also be removed. So there may be some that you don't view as important or just maybe not relative to whatever particular areas you're working on. And they can easily be removed. And again, this is an editor, so you're able to save your changes. And again, this is all done free. Everything shown here is completely free. Anyone can have access to this. Again, the primary goal here is for PCB Preflight to help assist designers, engineers, and basically whatever it takes to get a printed circuit board design safely through manufacturing and assembly. Here we're opening the job in a second editor. Makes it easy to visualize how the final printed circuit board will appear. Again, you can review and highlight all the DFM errors. Everything's very well organized, makes it easy, and the same rules apply to the previous situations. You can convert any of these errors into a comment. You can select objects. I will open up the previous design and demonstrate the benefits of using the editor to also search for the components and review the BOM list. Be able to search component pricing, availability, and all the other important information. Multiple sites can be searched, allowing you to find the best pricing and availability for each component on your BOM list. Other features for the viewer include search tools, highlighting objects, and measuring, and so much more. In this case, now we're going to demonstrate the ability to work offline with PCB Preflight. It's all the workspace files from PCB Preflight are compatible with the PCB Preflight desktop software and with the professional Fab 3000 Gerber CAM software. As you see here, all the data, all the error markers are shown offline, so you can get even increased speed working offline. Visit PCB Preflight. We add new tools every week. Thank you very much.